Once you have felt one side, you will need to repeat on the other side. Again, remember to stabilize that side with one hand and palpate with a snaking motion with the other. You will need to feel the structures when you palpate. For the back of the baby, you will feel a broad curved structure. You can repeat this motion 2 to 3 times to ensure that you are familiar with the structure that you are feeling. If you feel the limb, you will feel an irregular structure. Now, you will need to feel for the upper and lower pole of the abdomen. So beginning with the upper pole, you will move your hands together while palpating. You should also check for the consistency. If this is the head of the baby, the consistency will feel hard and the structure will be round. Now you must repeat on the lower pole of the abdomen. If the structure that you feel is soft in consistency, then that would mean it would be the buttocks.
Is the lie.
Now that you have completed your examination, you should be able to tell the lie of the baby. It can be longitudinal, transverse, or oblique. You should also be able to tell the presentation of the baby. If you feel the head in the lower pole, this means that it is a cephalic presentation. If you are able to feel the head in the upper pole of the abdomen, then it would mean that it is a breech presentation. Next is to check for the engagement. There are two methods to do so. The first is to insert the fingers between the pubic symphysis and the presenting part. If you are able to insert your fingers, this means that the head is not engaged. If you are unable to insert your fingers, this means that the head is engaged. The next method is a Paulic grip. This method can only be used if presentation is cephalic. To do this, you would need to hold the head between the thumb and the index finger. You then have to perform ballotment of the head. If there is ballotment, then it means that the head is not engaged. If there is no ballotment, then the head is engaged. Next is symphysial fundal height. First, find the pubic symphysis.